Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to log out your Gmail account from all devices. So let's see. But before we dive into this tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Gmail account. So I'm going to simply click on my Gmail app right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the top right here. That's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on manage your Google account. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to swipe this way and make sure you click on security. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for manage all devices. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and review unrecognized devices right here. Now, if you see any device that you are not recognized on your Gmail account, what you need to do is to simply click on each of the device right here and open them up. So I'm going to click on this one right here. And it's going to open up like so. If you see any unrecognized device right here, what you need to do is to simply click on sign out. Sign out on window. This will remove access to your Google account from this device. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on sign out. And with that, the account will be removed totally from your Gmail and your account will be more secure. And it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to sign out your Gmail account from all devices without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.